Today in the livestock complex, the cattle was higher. The asking price for cash trade is up, so that did give the market a little bit of a boost. But let's be careful now. Wholesale beef prices are lower. It seems that the peak grilling season has kind of come and gone, so it is past. However, the lackluster grain trade might be exactly what these markets need, and it's kind of giving some support to a firmer market. I thought that the live cattle being higher than the feeder cattle gave us a little bit of an indication that there is, a few buyers stepping in, trying to stay long this market. And even though it's slowly grinding higher, it is moving higher, and the trend is staying on course. So we're going to watch that closely. Feeders today were firm. It certainly looks like there is some big buying support. Yesterday's gains are holding on. They continue to add some underlying support to the market, and then it's basically broken through on the upside from a lot of those technical numbers. So we expect that there could be more follow through. We're certainly watching all the other issues that are involved with these markets, and not just the grains that they're a little bit lower, but it may be a resolution to the China deal, as well as the trouble with the African swine fever. And let's take a look at hogs, because that also could be helping the livestock complex as a whole. Hogs did jump up. The pork imports are definitely on the rise for China. They really did surge because of the disease, and we know that it's decimated the herds. They expect by the end of the year 1/3 of China's herds would be lost. That's 18 million head of hogs. That's quite a bit. That's quite a huge amount. And what does that tell us? That they're going to be in need of our pork supply. So while all of our farmers are kind of hanging on to their hat, hoping that we could definitely start to get into the mix, everything hasn't really changed that much. We know that China has at some point even passed through, in spite of the tariffs, they've needed to buy some of the pork. So they are buying a lot from European import areas, but the U.S. is going to be the one that really is going to be available to them. And at any point in time that they really start to take some of our supplies, we could see a big jump in the market. That hasn't happened yet, but it's just something to watch out for. Certainly, as the market continues to build a little bit of support, and even if the grains start to come down a little bit, it's very possible that we could start to get a rally on all fronts, from live cattle to feeders and the lean hogs. So we're hoping that beyond hope that maybe this week could be the big number that's going to turn us around and start to get the market moving.